Yo, what's up guys? How you doing today? We're gonna reset this oil life on this 2015 Honda CRV. I just reset the TPMS light, so if you need to know how to do that, go check it out on the page. This one can be kind of tricky. It's confusing because there's a button right here, which typically with these you would reset the way this display is. Anyway, whatever, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go right here to the menu, and it's gonna bring us to this infotainment system up here. And you're literally gonna go to vehicle information, maintenance info, excuse me. And then we're gonna press the center button for reset. Yes, we wanna reset. And just like that, boom, done. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Bye.